Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through troubleshooting Dota 2 crashes and launch failures. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Steam application on your device, log into your specific account, and navigate to your library from the left-hand side, which is between Store and Community. Right-click on it and select Properties. A menu will appear from where you need to go ahead and select Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of the game files. And once it's done, you need to go ahead and select the Steam icon in the top left and select Settings. In the Settings page, go to Storage, which is between Downloads and Cloud. Then click on the three dots and then select Repair Library. Then go to Downloads, scroll down and select Clear Cache option. After completing these steps, close Steam and ensure that all Steam and Epic Games launchers are closed. Also check your task manager for any running Dota 2 processes. Open your task manager. And here under processes, if you see any Dota 2 running in the background, right-click on it and select End Task option. It's best to avoid running multiple software or games simultaneously. Finally, open your device manager. Expand the display adapters section. Right-click on the display driver and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to complete the update, and this should definitely help you resolve the issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.